Here it comes. Here it goes. This is a Zappa tornado. So, F3. Yeah, the Zappa is Zappa F3, bro. You know. It's rated at EF3 right now. That's what the radar says. It's called the Zappa Tornado F3. Oh my god. This thing's crazy, bro. How is this not... I don't understand. How is this not F4 or F5? It's F3, bro. I literally went over there, and it was picking up a lot of blocks. How is this not rated E4? Probably just gonna go up in the weather tower and watch this thing go down. I feel like the safest place is the weather tower. I'm coming down. Here it goes. Guys, how's it going? Oh my god. Look, you might want to look. Look. Did you see that thing? Yep, they're watching it. They're watching it. How is this not F4? It's literally... Bro. It's literally about to... It's literally about to cross over. Here it comes. If I had 1,000 subscribers, I will spawn an F5 on top of my house. That one right there. I will spawn an F5 on top of the house. That's how little I care. Literally, though. Like, if that had... I mean, we're all dead, but... I don't know what this... I'm gonna go check this thing out. Wait, it just downgraded. Live, it just downgraded to F2. Wait, hold on. Happy days. I stole it. Yup, it's picking things up still. It's still the Yappa... No, it's the Zappa F3. That is the worst F3 we've ever had. That's never happened like that, bro. That's sick. Actually, though. Bro, this is the strongest one now. It's not even rated F4 or F5. It's doing F3. How is this not rated F4? Hey, sometimes in life you don't ask questions, bro. Oh my god, bro. I'm very disappointed, bro. And I don't know why I just broke that fence. To F2 though. Probably get a sword though, so I don't break anything. That one right there. This house is gone if I hit 1,000 subs. What are y'all doing in here, bro? There's a little. This is the strongest tornado. Oh, that is not F4. Put that in the video, bro. I'm proud of my world for having the strongest F3. The strongest tornado that was not rated even F4. Yeah. I built some, my friend joined and built some houses over there. They're fucking gone. I went over there before I started the video. They looked like they were never homes, ever. They were never, ever homes. And now it's F1. It's dying really fast. Well, that was sick. See y'all later.